Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to remove WhatsApp from other device. So you have to open the WhatsApp app or business WhatsApp. So when you will open, you have to go to the settings of WhatsApp and you go to the linked device. So from now I will not connect any other device. So from here you can find if someone's you will logged in another device, so from there you can log out another all devices, log out from there. So you will just open the WhatsApp and go to setting and linked devices. So if you have linked devices, it will be shown there and there is the option to log out all. So this is how to find linked another devices on WhatsApp. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.